a massive violent protest had erupted outside the district jail in Buxa in the Nikasi area this afternoon, after the 5 accused in Zubin Garg case, who were this morning sent to judicial custody by the Chief Judicial Magistrate of Guwahati, were transferred to the newly constructed jail in Buxa district, and in fact they were the first prisoners to be kept in that jail. And you can see here, this is the road that leads to the jail. At this moment, media is not allowed to go further, since there has been a massive violence, stone pelting by the mob who wanted to enter the jail premises, given the fact that there is pent up anger against the government from the side of Zubin Garg's fans. They want that justice to be delivered, and the security forces had to use force. Initially there was baton charge, and then there was massive stone pelting from the mob side, and then there was tear gas shell fired, and later on you can see this is the movement of the more reinforcement going into the area. In fact, to some extent this has been a failure of the administration as well, given the fact that there were enough indications that the situation could turn grave. But perhaps this is something that the government now needs to look into. You can see senior police officials now moving towards the area. Several people, protesters, police force personnel and journalists who were caught in between the security forces and the protesters, the angry mob. Several journalists have got injuries, some have got serious injuries. Some of the serious injured people are being shifted to Guwahati, rest being treated at the district civil hospital in Musalpur. And here you can see, if I can ask my camera person Nakul Rabha to pan and show, security forces here completely deployed. This after there have been massive violence in this area. If you can see here, if my camera person can show, there are these stones which were thrown ahead. You can see the vehicles, glass pieces of vehicles which were targeted. In fact, a police vehicle, a vehicle of media, as well as private vehicles have been torched. So now at this moment, what police sources are telling us, that the situation is under control but extremely tense. In fact, prohibitory orders around the jail area has been imposed by the government, and it seems that the police at this moment are putting in more reinforcements. Perhaps that just goes to show that there was a lack of understanding on the part of the police in terms of assessing that this situation can turn violent, given the fact there is a lot of sentiments involved among the people in the Zubin Garg case. So therefore now this reinforcement has been put in so as to get hold of the situation and try to bring normalcy in this area. From Nikasi in Buxa district of Assam, with camera person Nakul Rabha, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.